Hey everybody, it's Friday. That means it's time for another question and another answer with Ask Octopus. Today we're making progress. Today's question comes from our community Slack, so shout out to everybody there in the community Slack asking great questions. The question is, can I show a progress bar in a deployment? Let's say that you have a multi-step task that takes a long time to run. You want to update the progress as each step completes. Let's take a look at how you can do that. Like in last week's video where we talked about write highlight, a custom command built into Octopus, the solution this week is another custom command built into Octopus, and in this case it's the update progress command. So in this example, I have a list of updates that I'm going to provide during my deployment, and I'm just iterating over that, calling update progress, which takes a percentage, so 10, 15, 17, 99%, and then the message, which is the message that you want to display on the progress bar for that. And the message is optional. And then I'm just going to sleep for a few seconds to simulate some work being done. So if we close here, let's create a new release and run it, and we'll see what this looks like. Head over to the task log, and you'll see the progress bar show up under the task log section. You can see here we're waking the Kraken, and for each of these steps, each of these targets that it's working on behalf, it's going to update the status bar or update the progress bar as it goes along until finally it hits 100%, in which case it'll disappear and your step will be complete. That's how you add progress bars to your deployments. Check out the information below for more details. Do you have a question about how to use Octopus? Email advice@octopus.com and somebody from our team will get you an answer. You might even see it on a future episode. Thanks for watching and happy deployments.